Minna no Nihongo Lesson 14 Part 4 Vocab. First, kotai. Answer. Kotai o enpitsu de kaite kudasai. Please write your answer in pencil. Second, yomikata. How to read, way of reading. Sumimasen, kono kanji yomikata o oshiete kudasai. Excuse me, could you please tell me how to read this kanji? Third, masugu, straight. Masugu itte migi ni magatte kudasai. Eki ga arimasu. Go straight and then turn right, you will find the station. Fourth, yukkuri, slowly, leisurely. Yukkuri tabete kudasai. Please take your time eating. Fifth, sugu, immediately. Onaka ga itai desu. Sugu, ishani kudasai. My stomach is hurting. Please visit the doctor immediately. Sixth, mata, again. Ashita mata aimashou. Let's meet again tomorrow. 7. Atode, later. Mata atode denwa shimasu. I will contact you again later. 8th. Mo sukoshi, a little more. Sumimasen ga sukoshi oki koi de hanashite kudasai. Excuse me, but could you please speak a little louder? Grammar point 6. Noun ga verb. When describing a phenomenon by saying what was felt about it through one or more of the 5 senses, sight, hearing, etc., or when telling someone objectively about an event, the subject is marked with the particle ka. Example, ame ga futteimasu. It's raining. Grammar point 7. Sumimasen ka. The ga in expressions such as sumimasen ga and shitsurei ga use an introductory remarks when addressing someone, is not being used in antithetical sense. Example, sumimasen ga shio o totte kudasai. Excuse me, could you please pass the salt, please?